So, you've been living in the US for a while now, right? How are you finding it?
Yeah, I've been here for about 2 years now. It's been great. There are a lot of things I didn't expect, though.
Really? Like what?
One thing I found really interesting is that the US doesn't have an official national language. I thought English was the official language, but it's not.
That's true. Most people speak English, but there's no law that makes it the official language. In some states, like New Mexico, Spanish is almost as common as English. And in Hawaii, both English and Hawaiian are official languages.
Oh, Hawaii. I've always wanted to go there. It's like its own world. The landscape is incredible: volcanoes, beaches, rainforests. It's hard to believe it's part of the same country.
Did you know they have their own language? Hawaiian is actually a Polynesian language, and Honolulu is the safest large city in the country.
That's great. I really want to visit this place. Speaking of unique places, what do you think about Las Vegas? It's such a crazy city.
Vegas is wild. It's like no other place in the world. I mean, where else can you see replicas of the Eiffel Tower, the Statue of Liberty, and a pyramid all in one street?
Exactly. The Strip is so over the top. I read that some of the largest hotels in the world are in Vegas. They're not just hotels either, they're resorts, with casinos, shopping malls, restaurants, and even shows. It's like a small city inside a hotel.
What did you find most different in the USA?
Well, one of the things that surprised me was how big everything is: the roads, the cars, even the food portions at restaurants.
That's true. The portions in restaurants can be crazy. What food do you like the most here?
I've tried a lot of different things. One of my favorites is barbecue. The smoky flavor, the sauces, it's just perfect. What about you? What's your favorite American food?
I think my favorite is probably pizza, but not just any pizza, New York pizza. It's so thin and crispy. You can fold it and eat it on the go. I love it.
Oh, I've heard about New York pizza. I still need to go to New York. I've been to Los Angeles, though, and it's a completely different city.
Oh yeah, LA definitely has a different vibe. What did you think of it?
I really liked it. The weather is perfect. It's sunny almost every day, and there's so much to do: beaches, hiking, and, of course, Hollywood.
Did you go to any famous spots in Hollywood?
Yeah, I walked along the Hollywood Walk of Fame. I even saw the Hollywood sign from a distance. It's kind of surreal when you see it in real life after seeing it in so many movies.
I know, right? It's like you're inside a movie or something. There are also food trucks in Los Angeles, and you can find so many different kinds of food. I heard they even have sushi burritos now.
Sushi burritos? That sounds crazy, but I'd definitely try it. What other places have you visited in the US?
Another place I visited was Florida. The beaches there are stunning, especially in Miami. It's beautiful. It's warm all year round, and the beaches are like something out of a postcard. Plus, the city is so vibrant. There's always music, dancing, and lots of energy.
I think it's cool that in some cities like Miami, you can live there and only speak Spanish, and you'll be fine.
Exactly. Miami is so unique. I read that about 70% of people there speak Spanish. That's amazing considering it's still part of the US.
Totally. The mix of cultures is one of the best parts of living here. And it's not just about language. Even the holidays are different. Have you experienced anything that made you laugh?
Oh, definitely. One thing that always makes me laugh is how serious Americans are about Halloween. People go all out with decorations, costumes, and even themed food. I've never seen anything like it before coming here.
Yes, my first Halloween in the US was so surprising. People decorate their houses like it's Christmas. And the costumes. I saw a dog dressed as a hot dog. It was hilarious.
Oh, I've seen pets in costumes too. It's so funny. Americans love their holidays, and Halloween is one of the biggest. But you know what else is interesting? How much they love sports here.
Yeah, sports are a huge deal. Football, baseball, basketball. It seems like there's always some big game on TV.
Exactly. Tailgating before the game, cheering, and even the halftime show. It's like a full day event.
Yeah, living in the US has been such an interesting experience. There's always something new to discover.
I know what you mean. Every state is so different from the others. It's like visiting a new country each time.
Exactly. I still have a lot of places I want to visit. New Orleans, for example. I've heard the music and food there are incredible.
Oh, New Orleans is on my list too. The jazz music, the parades, and the beignets. I hear the food there is something special.
We should plan a trip there sometime. I think it would be amazing.
Absolutely. There's so much more to explore in the US, it's never boring.
That's for sure. I'm excited to keep discovering new places and trying new things.
So many adventures to look forward to. Let's start planning our next trip soon.
I can't wait. It's going to be amazing. Bye.
Bye.